Hey everyone, it is me, Sandra Critten, here doing I'm going to do a couple videos, two separate. One of me opening a booster pack, a new Yu-Gi-Oh booster pack, not like the new one that just came out last week or the week before, but just a freshly new one that I could only afford, but so if you have seen me already open booster packs for the new set, which was Cyber Access, but I am going to do another Duels from the Deep, which is a legendary duelist booster, and it is this one right here. It only has 5 cards, so this one's going to be very short. So I'm sorry for those of you who were wanting something big, but yeah, and the video I'm going to do after this is going to be more like a little gadget toy that I just bought at work, which was on clearance, but I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'll show you in the next video. So, we're gonna open this and see what we get. Kind of hoping for something a bit more different instead of common. So let's see what we get. And there's like a bunch of other ones out there, some of which I kind of hope to get, but gotta wait till next week. Ooh, we have, let's see what we got. We have a Silent Angler. We have one of my favorites, a Hamid Shark. I don't even know how many of these I have, but it's kind of like a staple now for me. But, and this one's a common one, I suppose. Exi Remora. And I am surprised I finally got this one. It's a near mint and probably either secret rare or ultra rare. It's the Mega Fortress Whale. And I'm not surprised. The Legendary Fisherman. So that is that. So yeah. One of these days I'll probably will I don't know, come up with something for, I think what I'm gonna do is probably go through all the comments and stuff and hopefully do I want to do this like by the end of next month. A little bit of a Q&A. And I think I might do it the day after my cousin's birthday, because her birthday is coming up and I don't want to do it on her birthday because it's also my half birthday. So, not that you guys needed to know that, but at least you know. But other than that, you guys will know when it pops up. Other than that, stay tuned, stay sharp, Like and subscribe and stay tuned. Bye for now.